Ready to take control of your investments right from the palm of your hand? Are you tired of clunky, outdated trading platforms that make investing feel like a chore? Do you want a seamless, intuitive experience that integrates all aspects of your financial life? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the Ally Invest mobile app, a powerful, yet incredibly user-friendly platform designed to empower both seasoned traders and complete beginners. In a world where every minute counts, having a robust and reliable investing app is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. And Ally Invest delivers on that front, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and features that make managing your portfolio on the go not just possible, but genuinely enjoyable. Before we jump into the app itself, let's set the stage. Ally Financial is a name you've probably heard, primarily known for its online banking services. What's fantastic about Ally Invest is that it leverages this strong banking foundation, offering a truly integrated financial ecosystem. This means if you already bank with Ally, transferring funds between your checking, savings, and investment accounts is incredibly smooth and almost instantaneous. No more waiting days for transfers to clear. This seamless integration is a huge selling point and a major convenience factor that sets Ally Invest apart from many other brokers. Now, let's talk about why the Ally Invest app is so compelling. First and foremost, it's built with accessibility in mind. Whether you're a complete novice dipping your toes into the investing waters for the first time, or an experienced trader looking for efficient execution, the app caters to a wide range of users. The interface is clean, intuitive, and remarkably uncluttered, making it easy to navigate even for those who might feel intimidated by traditional trading platforms. One of the biggest draws of Ally Invest is its competitive pricing. We're talking zero commission trading on most US-listed stocks and ETFs. Yes, you heard that right, zero commissions. This is a game changer for active traders and long-term investors alike, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money working for you. Options trades are also highly competitive at a flat 50 cents per contract, which is among the best in the industry. And for those interested in mutual funds, Ally has made a significant move by eliminating transaction fees on over 17,000 funds, putting them on par with industry giants like Schwab and Fidelity. This commitment to low costs truly makes Ally Invest an attractive option. Okay, enough talk about the why. Let's get into the how. Let's open up the Ally Invest app and explore its core functionalities. When you first launch the app, you'll be greeted by a clear and concise dashboard. This is your command center, providing an at-a-glance overview of your entire Ally Financial portfolio, not just your investments. You'll see your banking accounts, credit cards, and of course, your investment accounts, all neatly organized. This one login, one view approach is incredibly convenient and helps you manage your complete financial picture with ease. Tapping into your Invest and Retirement section, you'll see a breakdown of your various investment accounts. Ally Invest offers a variety of account types to suit different needs and goals. These include individual brokerage accounts, joint accounts, custodial accounts, and a full suite of IRA options like traditional, Roth, and rollover IRAs. They even have automated robo-portfolios for those who prefer a hands-off approach, requiring a minimum of just $100 to get started. We'll focus primarily on the self-directed trading experience today, but it's great to know these automated options are available. Let's navigate to the self-directed trading section. Here, you'll find your portfolio summary. This screen provides key metrics like your total account value, daily gains/losses, and overall performance. It's a quick way to gauge how your investments are doing without digging deep into individual holdings. Now, let's talk about the bread and butter of any investing app, researching and finding investments. Ally Invest offers robust research tools directly within the mobile app. At the top or bottom navigation, you'll typically find a research or quotes section. Tapping on this will allow you to search for specific stocks, ETFs, options, or even mutual funds. Once you search for a ticker symbol, say AAPL for Apple, you'll be presented with a comprehensive quote page. This page is packed with valuable information. You'll see the current price, daily high and low, volume, and an interactive chart. The charting capabilities within the app are surprisingly good, offering various chart types like candle, bar, and line, along with a decent selection of technical indicators and drawing tools. While it might not replace a dedicated desktop trading platform for advanced technical analysis, it's more than sufficient for on-the-go research. Scrolling down the quote page, you'll find essential company information, including news headlines from various sources, key financial metrics, earnings data, and analyst ratings. A particularly neat feature is Ally Smart Score from TipRanks. This proprietary score, ranging from 1 to 10, analyzes 8 key data points to give you an indication of a stock's potential to outperform the market. It's a great quick reference for both new and experienced investors. One of the most useful tools for any investor is a watch list. Ally Invest allows you to create and customize multiple watch lists to keep an eye on stocks you're interested in, without necessarily owning them. You can easily add or remove symbols from your watch lists, and the app provides real-time streaming quotes for your selected securities, so you're always up to date on price movements. This is incredibly helpful for tracking potential opportunities or monitoring your existing holdings. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.